Hey guys, Kathleen Ann here. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on look, I can't even talk already. Great start! Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a look using the Coral Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I'm absolutely in love with this palette. I have a couple more things to talk about today before we jump right into the video. Just so you know, this is the look that I will be doing. Your girl's macro now! So, a few weeks ago I saw a posting online for an on-call position at a MAC that is about half an hour, 45 minutes away from me. And so I went in for an interview. I did the makeup application interview and I was given a job as an on-call artist, invited to join the team. Since my last video, I've also started attending makeup school, which really helped bring my confidence up. Honestly, like, I think that I'm doing better at doing makeup on other people than I am in myself at this point, just because it was all about the confidence. I had so many makeup interviews before that I would go in and I just wouldn't be able to do the makeup on the other person, and I thought it's that I couldn't do makeup on other people. I thought, like, of course doing makeup on another person is a whole other ballgame. I am currently attending Blanche McDonald and I do graduate in February of next year. There's cat hair floating around. Anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this look, make sure to give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want, don't subscribe if you don't want to. I can't tell you what to do. Alright guys, let's get into the video. So I'm not going to talk too much about the face, just because this is supposed to be an eye tutorial and I don't want to take like 18 hours to show you how to do your makeup like me, because I'm going to start off with the Touche Eclat Blur Primer from YSL. And I'm mainly going to concentrate that in the center of my face, but I'm definitely a primer person, so I pretty much will only ever use silicone primers. I don't like any face makeup that's not silicone based. I'm very, very picky with it. The Kevin Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer SX03. This shade is definitely a bit light for me right now. Apparently I tanned a little. So I'm not going to do like a fall thing anyway. I don't really need much foundation right now, so I'm just going to concentrate that on the center of my face, and you literally need just like that much to get a full face out of it. My concealer, I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear. It's been on its side in a bag for a while and it's running low, so it's looking a little sad, but I'm going to attempt to get some out. The truth will break your chains, we have the key. Open your eyes and see. There's always cat hair everywhere. I'm just going to set it with the RCMA No Color Powder, which we all know isn't actually no color. So be wary if you have dark skin. One of the biggest things that I think I have learned from going to makeup school, which I thought that I grasped the whole concept before, but like you can literally never use little enough in some situations, and it just makes it so much easier, and just the result comes out so much better when you don't just pile that makeup onto your face. If you're just like really careful with how much you use, and of course it's going to seem like you're not using enough. You just got to cut it down little by little and you'll just realize that you just went from one foundation lasting you like a month to that foundation being alive for 6 months. So just keep that in mind. For my contour, I'm actually going to be using an eyeshadow, which is going to be Wedge from MAC, which is this lighter brown shade. And just reaching down an angle brush and just getting in my cheekbones. I don't like to do any other part of my face because just with my face shape, of course, you do you. I'm going for like a fun, but like, I guess you can't really call it summer if it's just, you know what, you can call it whatever you want. It's makeup. It's what you want. This is my summer day off look. Yeah. Let's just get into this eye look. Let me bring you a little closer. No, I might awkward drawing for any hair. It's at that point right now. I'm just going to prime my eyeballs. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion. I'm only 20. What are you doing, Smile Eyes? I'm just going to set the base shade just with a color Shadow Close to My Skin Tone. It's not from the HUDA. And a fluffy brush, because I don't want to pack this color on. I just want it to stick to any sticky parts that could affect the application. So to start off this, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a little more orange. I'm just going to go straight in with that into my crease. Next I'm just going to take a bit of a flatter, more shaped blending brush, just like that. This sort of pink shade up here, kind of low down on my crease because with all the blending we're going to be doing, it's going to be blown upwards. Next, I'm just going to take a little pointed brush, dark red shade, this little brick red, and I'm just going to put that on the other sides of my eye like a halo eye, and then I'm just going to use a clean brush to blend that through the crease. I'm going to take that fluffy blending brush I was using, and I'm going to take the yellow shade in it, and I'm going to run that over top of all the red that I put on. And I'm just going to use that to pick up this color here. Spray it down with some Mystic Plus after I get a shadow on it because I don't want to hard pan it. I'm just going to pat that onto my eye, right in the center. In with some of that brick red, and I'm just going to clean it up just to make sure that anywhere I may have gotten that dual shift color is cleaned up. We're going to run this hot pink shade underneath on our lower lash line. I'm quickly just going to add a really thin wing on my upper lid, obviously. Next I'm just going to do my mascara, and I'm using the HUDA Expert Mascara. I'm just using the Dip Brow Pomade in Dark Brown from Anastasia. For lashes, I'm just going to be using this pair by Rouge and Rouge, formerly known as Black Magic Lashes, and it's in the style China Doll. Since I do have a latex sensitivity, I'm going to be using the Artistry Lash Glue in Clear. While this second lash dries, I'm just going to apply some blush, and I'm going to be using the blush from the original Artist Contour Palette. That's the word. The lighting is getting very shadowy and silhouetty, and so I'm not sure if you can see me. But when I do finish the look, I will move to some better lighting.
Run away, and I know I'm right now. We can change anything and make it better together now.
Now that I got my lashes on, I'm going to do my lip, and I really want to do something very dramatic, very bright. And I know like heavy eye and heavy lips don't always mix, but I feel like if it's all red, then it's red. So I'm just going to use the matte, I believe it's called the matte lip stain. Not completely sure. Let's see. Yes, matte stain. In shade number 1 from Yves Saint Laurent.
Every
is my favorite color, it's very orange. Oh my god, the sun has been so bad. You guys probably can't see anything. Okay, I'm just gonna throw on highlight quickly, and I'm gonna be using the Studio Fix powder from MAC. And yes, there's a little airbrush makeup all over it. I'm gonna set it with some Fix Plus. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Thank you for coming to my channel to look at my kitty and create some red makeup mishaps with me. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!